Let us begin by bringing our awareness to our breath, honoring that we are connected to everything else in this world by our breath. On the inhale, we accept what is new, and on the exhale, we let go what is old. Imagine holding the whole world as it is on the inhale, as if your arms could reach around the whole planet and you could give Mother Earth a hug. Say, I love you. And on the exhale, you let her go. And you say, I forgive you. This world has brought us many experiences. And as long as we continue to be a source of love and forgiveness for it, there are many more wonderful and peaceful experiences. And one of them we can have right now, here together. We are but the representatives of love. The source of love, that infinite, unmanifest potential. Feel the bliss that you have been given to share with others. Sometimes it's hard to feel. Sometimes it's hard to appreciate that there is an untapped source of bliss within us, always. But we have been so caught up in life that we've buried it beneath so many expectations. We can set them aside in this moment and bring on a sense of bliss, rather than trying to find it, rather than trying to discover it. Instead of working towards bliss in this moment, let bliss be the place from where we work. Let happiness and peace be not what we are striving for, but the place from which we all begin. Let us begin each breath in happiness, instead of trying to end up happy. Let us start happy. Let us be that source of love and transport it wherever it needs to go. Let every aspect of our being be a funnel there to take the love in your heart and deliver it where it needs to go. Let our eyes look for sights in which we find places to love. Let our ears give love by listening. Let our nose smell the lovely aroma of the flowers. Our tongue taste the lovely food that we offer to others. And let our skin feel all that which the world feels, so that we may empathize with it. And carry a piece of the world in us, to never forget what there is to love and why your love is needed and why you need to love. Let our speech be there to give love. Let the food we eat be there to share an experience of love and to fuel this body in its ability to carry even more love. Let our feet take us places in order to give love. Let love be the source from which we see, we hear, we eat, we conversate. Let us engage in all aspects of this world from a point of being that source of love. And when you're ready, you may rub your hands together and place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth. And if your eyes were closed, blink and see the world. Thank you for partaking. Much love.